Hello and welcome to a new video. My name is Hans and this is Food Around the House. The weather is absolutely great today. It's about 22 degrees centigrade, which is very warm for the time of year here in the Netherlands. And today I want to show you guys what's going on the rooftop garden. What's going well, what's going not so well. So yeah, let's go. First up is the Polyculture with the radishes, carrots and the turnip greens. As you can see, it's looking very green. Everything is doing well. So we've got the radishes over here. See, the radishes are starting to form, and in between the radishes, this little seedlings over here, those are the carrots, which have also come up now. And in between the rows of carrots and radishes, we've got 2 rows of the turnip greens, which are doing very great, and I think I'll be having my first harvest in about 2 weeks. Next to that, I've got this bed with the sort of greenhouse top on top of it. This top was first on the Polyculture bed, but I now moved it to this bed, and in here you can just see some really small turnip seedlings, and well, they're doing fine. They're still very small. In this bed we've got the spinach, which is still really small, but you can already see the first leaves coming. And with the weather we're having now, they'll be growing a lot faster. And next to that we've got the radishes, which this is just a bed with full of radishes, and they're also doing fine. They're not growing as hard as the radishes in the Polyculture bed, but well, that bed had a top, or a sort of greenhouse top on it, so it was a lot warmer and moisture in there. In this bed I've also sown some turnip greens, and have sown the first row over here, then 2 weeks later a row over here, and very recently I also sowed another row over there, which has not come up yet. Then in this bed we've got some broad beans and some peas. As you can see, the broad beans are doing fine. Yeah, just slowly growing. But the peas, on the other hand, are not doing very great. About 2 weeks ago we had some very stormy weather in the Netherlands with very strong winds and even hail. And this weather absolutely destroyed the peas, which is a pity. Some of the peas have sort of recovered, but most of the pea plants look very bad. Right after the storm, when I saw what the weather had done to my pea plants, I decided to sow some more peas, and they are about ready now, ready to be planted out. So I'm just going to replace the damaged pea plants now. So over here you can see some of the damaged pea plants. Most of the plants have broken stems, and they will never fully recover, so I'll have to replace those. Some of the plants are also reshooting again from the roots, so I will just cut off the sort of the old stem and yeah, just let those new shoots grow into pea plants. But most of the plants I will just replace, which I will do now. So as you can see, I have replaced most of the pea plants. Almost all of the pea plants are new ones in here, and I well, left the shoots from the roots from the old plants. I left them in there to see if maybe they'll also grow into full pea plants. And yeah, same over here. These are almost all replaced as well. And for these two there were still some of the pea plants which weren't totally destroyed by the weather, so I kept them in there and put some new ones in between. So as you could see in this video, most of the plants on the rooftop garden are doing great. The only struggle were the pea plants, which I now replaced, and hopefully they will grow into nice pea plants real soon. I hope the weather stays this way, and yeah. So that was it for today's video. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments. If you like this video, like it, and if you would like to see more videos like this and join me on my journey on growing food on this rooftop garden, consider subscribing to my channel.